Happy holidays, everyone. It's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how you can apply your own pictures onto multiple Unisub wood ornaments with sublimation. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell while you're at it. Okay, let's get started. As a more natural alternative to their popular aluminum ornaments, Unisub now offers wood ornaments that are sure to pair well with your most cozy pictures. Built with a maple wood substrate, these ornaments are available in some of Unisub's most popular shapes, donning a single side specially coated to hold your sublimation transfers with a nice matte finish. Whether you plan to customize them as part of yours or another's holiday decor, Unisub's wood ornaments make for a perfect gift on their own in getting your most cherished family members and friends in the mood for the season. To start, you'll first need to scale your images or graphics down to the size of your particular ornaments. If you have access to graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, we recommend downloading their templates at heatpressnation.com to further optimize your images for the uniquely shaped Unisub ornaments. As you open these templates, you'll find that they are broken up into bleed, imprint, safety, and no print layers. When you import your image onto here, you can set it below the bleed layer and use it as a clipping mask. Set the safety, imprint, and no print layers to 50% opacity, and you'll have a clear idea on how to scale down your image and any extra elements within the bounds of an ornament. Once you're satisfied with how your ornament image looks, hide the imprint and safety layers and it's ready to be printed. But as these ornaments are small, we'll be able to fit in about 4 copies or different templates in one 8.5 by 11 inch document. To show off the many different shapes these ornaments are currently available in, we'll prepare an image for a few of them. And as soon as all your ornament images are prepared, you may print this document through your sublimation printer. If you're using a Sawgrass printer, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to MDF board, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and change the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on your document's level of detail. With these settings in, you may click print on SPM. Now that our transfer has been printed, we're ready to apply it onto our ornaments. Turn on your heat press and set it to 60 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. As Unisub's wood ornaments are thicker than their usual items, you'll need to add 10 seconds for each additional item. For 4 ornaments, this will total out at 90 seconds. Once your machine is at temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper, and then add your transfer on top with the printed side up. Place and center your ornaments above the printed images of the matching shape. Then attach them in place using strips of heat tape. Finally, flip the ornaments so that the paper side faces up. Cover them with another parchment paper sheet and press. After 60 seconds, open your machine and allow the ornaments a moment to cool down. As soon as they've cooled, you may quickly peel the ornaments off the transfer and each one should now be sublimated. To finish them off, simply tie their included red ribbons through their top holes and they're now ready to complement your Christmas tree or any other piece of decor. If you're interested in sharing your custom ornaments with us alongside a large community of heat transfer and customization enthusiasts, be sure to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Unisub ornaments and other sublimation products, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can contact my expert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and have a safe and cozy holiday season.